Okay, I'm here once again, February 13th, 2022 at Prairie Playland, Traders Village, Grand Prairie, Texas. And last week, one half of that turn was complete and the support vents stopped there as well. This week, all the support vents have been installed and we've got a first drop. Yeah. And we've got a rise into the second turn. Isn't that awesome? I think so, but I'm a coaster hobbyist. So, once again, this is, oops, I meant to trace the first drop back up. This is the former Scandia Screamer from Scandia Amusement Park in Ontario, California. Traders Village purchased it and stripped all the paint, inspected it, repainted it a beautiful white and green, and it is being reconstructed here at Traders Village at Prairie Playland. Grand Prairie, Texas. Did I already say Grand Prairie, Texas? I think so. I tend to repeat myself. This is going to be a kick-ass roller coaster. It has major ejector airtime from what I've heard. And the tight hairpin turns, let me see if I can show you one, have, from what I've heard, intense laterals. You can see the slanted, they're not track ties, but they're slanted lateral supports that are going to hold that really tight turn on that level. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm very impressed with how huge this ride appears here at Prairie Playland. It's on top of these concrete footers that are about 4 feet tall, and they were sunk 40 feet underground. I've said that in previous videos. And again, I'll link Canopy Coaster's video of the Scandia Screamer and the Prairie Screamer and what a great ride it was at Scandia Amusement Park. That link will be in the description. Doesn't look like much else has been done, but that's a lot for a week. And again, this is originally a portable roller coaster intended for carnivals and to be assembled and disassembled within a matter of days. But look at that first drop, man. It's actually one of the tamer parts of the ride from what I've heard, but it looks fantastic. Or maybe I'm just overly passionate about this ride. This incredible roller coaster going up only 30 minutes away from my home. That's a big crane. Show you something else. We've got the gearing assembly has been installed. That receives the chain that goes up the chain lift that of course pulls the train to the top, and it goes through those gears. And the motor, the electric motor, I don't see, it's not installed yet, but that's the gearbox, I guess it would be called. In an airplane, that would be the gearbox, and I work on airplanes sometimes. Not that one. That's pretty cool. Jetliner going through a roller coaster structure. Anyway, and you know, this also right here is, I believe, yeah, there's some brakes. I meant to say, I believe that is going to be the approach to the chain lift. I don't know if that piece of track is it's not permanently installed yet. I don't know if it actually goes there or if it's just waiting to be installed, but this might be the station right here. The station might be down there. I'm not sure. That's the entrance right there where there's those two wooden posts are. That's going to be something decorative and cool. Okay, I'm spending too long on this video. But look at that first drop. With the beautiful moon here in Grand Prairie, Texas. Okay, that's it. Bye.